I am a learner. I'm absorbed in a digital world where I learn something new every day. I create networks to open up new paths, new roads, and new destinations. Like all learners, I am on a journey. Don't tell me what to do. Let me do. That's how I learn best. It's my own adventure, my own way. And on my way, I meet others on a journey of their own. We work together and share a dream. I use the professional tools of a modern world. And when you see me out in the world, you will recognize me by my passion for adventure. Who am I? I am that dream that won't leave you alone. That vision that keeps you up at night. Why do you wonder about what you can be? Don't you see? I am you.